The ketogenic diet has a number of unexpected and potentially harmful side effects, including constipation, headaches, and poor breath. You have seen YouTube videos showcasing people's preferred low-carb diets. Your body is prepared for a ketogenic diet. It seems really amazing to be able to lose those stubborn pounds while eating bacon, cheese, and avocados all day long. Be aware that not all weight loss is created equal before you board the also popular keto train. In order to assist you to be more aware of the potentially unpleasant side effects of the keto diet, we've listed some of the most bothersome possible symptoms. 1. Keto flu. The so-called keto flu is a group of symptoms that may appear 2 to 7 days after starting a ketogenic diet. Headache, foggy brain, fatigue, irritability, nausea, difficulty sleeping, and constipation are just some of the symptoms of this condition, which is not recognized by medicine. So, this isn't really the flu, so don't be concerned. It is simply your body's normal reaction to transitioning to using ketones for energy, and is frequently accompanied by weariness, headaches, nausea, and brain fog. As your kidneys remove extra water, your electrolyte levels start to decline, which is why you feel under the weather. The good news is that this is probably just transitory and can be lessened by consuming more fluids and electrolytes. To get your electrolyte fix, consume a lot of homemade broths for salt, nut butter for magnesium, and cooked spinach for potassium. 2. Bad breath. Planning a first date while you're transitioning into ketosis might not be the best idea. The embarrassingly terrible breath that keto dieters experience is one of the main complaints people have about the diet. Some even claim to taste metal in their mouths. Acetone, a pungent volatile molecule, is one of the ketone bodies, chemicals produced by the metabolism of fatty acids. That is the same chemical that gives nail polish its distinctive stench, so you can be sure. Like acetone, ketones are expelled from the body through sweating, urination, and exhalation, therefore smelling like a nail salon is really a sign that you're in ketosis right now. The good news is that this side effect typically disappears when your body adjusts to operating on ketones. 3. Hair loss. The ketogenic diet can cause hair loss, though it's not always a given. 2 out of the 45 participants in a small study on ketogenic diet eating among teenagers reported having thinning hair, which could have occurred for a number of reasons. First off, the majority of people following a ketogenic diet limit not only their intake of carbohydrates but also their overall calorie intake, which results in weight loss and thinning hair. Deficits in vitamins, minerals, particularly zinc and biotin, as well as adverse changes in the microbiota brought on by a diet that is restrictive and heavy in fat, are additional potential causes of hair loss. Make sure you're not severely restricting your protein or calorie intake. Increase your probiotic intake and talk to your doctor about if you might need to take supplements of zinc and biotin. 4. Constipation. The absence of entire grains, legumes, fruits, and starchy vegetables like sweet potatoes, all of which add fiber to your diet, is one of the main health concerns with the ketogenic diet. There's a strong chance you're not consuming the 25 to 38 grams of fiber per day that are advised, unless you're very careful about supersizing your greens. Naturally, many people who follow a ketogenic diet have constipation. No one loves to feel blacked up. As well as ensuring you're getting enough water and salt, we advise packing your plate full of the highest fiber low-carb foods, such as avocado, broccoli, artichokes, Brussels sprouts, chia seeds, flaxseed, and almonds. 5. Diarrhea. Although constipation is more frequent, keto dieters might also experience problems at the other end of the digestive range. Many people following the ketogenic diet love to add coconut oil, or pure MCT oil, a supplement made from concentrated medium-chain triglycerides, to their smoothies and coffee. While MCTs are a form of fat that our bodies metabolize more quickly, delivering immediate energy while also assisting in preventing weight gain, too much can overload your kidneys and cause inefficient processing. The result? Disaster pants. This is what the keto crowd refers to them as, but it's not as hilarious as it sounds. Limit your intake of MCTs and other additional fats to prevent diarrhea, and make sure you're eating 6. Weight regain. Dieters laud the keto strategy as a quick way to lose 1 or 2 dress sizes, but they are frequently demotivated when they notice the weight creeping back on after a cheat day or when they even slightly break the guidelines. Since our systems store every gram of carbohydrates with approximately 4 grams of water, low-carb dieters appear to experience benefits rather quickly. This is because a large portion of the initial weight loss is water. You can see how the weight builds up so quickly. Because of this, any abrupt increase in carbohydrate intake may result in an increase in the scales reading. Not to worry. Pay attention to portion sizes, concentrate on high quality, high fiber carbohydrates, and always combine them with sources of protein and healthy fats if you see that your body is rebounding as you try to consume less carbohydrate. Bottom line, nobody promised that the keto diet would be simple or enjoyable, but at least you'll be a little better prepared for what lies ahead. Alright, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and like this video. See you in the next video.